Welcome to our channel. Today we have an incredible tutorial for you on creating a V2Ray VMess server account and setting it up on Dark Tunnel VPN. In a world where online security and privacy are more important than ever, not all VPNs are created equal. While some VPNs offer built-in servers, others like Dark Tunnel VPN allow you to fully customize your settings for enhanced protection. In this video, we'll guide you through the process step by step so you can enjoy a fast and secure internet connection. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends who value their online privacy. For more VPN updates and hidden tricks, visit our blog linked in the description. Let's get started. Open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and press Enter. Click on the official UDP Custom website from the search results. Once on the home page, locate the menu icon, usually 3 horizontal lines at the top corner, and click on it. From the options, select V2Ray Slow DNS Server. This option lets you create a V2Ray server that supports slow DNS. Choose a server location from the list provided. After selecting, you'll be redirected to an account creation page. Enter your username, solve the CAPTCHA, and click Create Now. Within moments, your server details will be displayed on the screen. Make a note of these details as you'll need them for the setup process. Open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. Search for Dark Tunnel VPN in the search bar and press Enter. Locate the app in the search results and tap on it. On the app's details page, tap the Install button to begin the download. Once the installation is complete, open the app. On the app's home screen, tap the 3 dots in the upper right corner to expand the menu. Select the Config File option, then click Import and choose Clipboard to paste the server details you created earlier. After successfully importing the data, return to the home screen and tap the Connect button. Within seconds, your V2Ray VMess server will connect, providing you with a secure and fast internet experience. And that's it! You've successfully created a V2Ray VMess server and set it up on Dark Tunnel VPN for enhanced online security and blazing fast speeds. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.